Hey there, savvy traders! Welcome back to the channel where we break down complex market signals into actionable insights. Today, we're diving deep into fascinating small cap stock that just hit our scanners, revealing a potential high reward setup. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's get this out of the way. Important disclaimer: this video is for educational and informational purposes only. Nothing in this video constitutes financial, investment, or trading advice. Always do your own research and consult a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance does not guarantee future results. With that said, let's explore why RAVE Restaurant Group, ticker symbol RAVE, is on our radar. RAVE Restaurant Group, Inc., trading as RAVE, operates squarely within the consumer cyclical/restaurant sector. With a market cap of just $46.09 million, this is definitely a player in the small cap, even penny stock territory, currently priced under $5 a share. RAVE is behind well-known brands like Pizza Inn and Pie 5, focusing on pizza buffet, delivery, carry-out, express restaurants, and even tapping into the ghost kitchen trend both domestically and internationally. Show company logos: Pizza Inn, Pie 5. Now, let's talk numbers. The recent price action on RAVE has been interesting. Today's change is plus 0.0%, with the last 5 days also showing plus 0.0% movement. However, looking at the last 30 days, RAVE has seen a significant jump, gaining plus 13.79%. This stock currently sits 12.0% below its 52-week high of $3.07,500, but it's a robust 46.7% above its 52-week low of $2.25. Highlight price chart. A quick look at volume today shows a mere 119 shares traded. Yes, you heard that right, 119 shares. This is a stark contrast to its 30-day average volume of 77,087 shares, resulting in a relative volume of 0x above average today. This extreme liquidity today is a critical point we'll revisit later. RAVE triggered our Turbo Abscissy strategy, which translates to double bottom hunter. This is a pattern recognition strategy designed to spot stocks that have shown resilience and are potentially reversing a downtrend. For a stock to trigger this particular scan, it needs to demonstrate positive 3-month performance, have its relative strength index or RSI in the momentum zone, and show increasing average volume. Think of it like this: a stock drops, finds a floor, bounces, and then drops again but finds support around the same level, forming a W shape. That's your double bottom. The positive 3-month performance, evidenced by RAVE's plus 13.79% gain over the last 30 days, confirms that the stock is moving in a healthy upward direction after its double bottom formation. An RSI in the momentum zone, typically between 45 and 68, tells us there's good buying pressure without being overbought. An increasing average volume means more participants are stepping into the stock, lending credibility to the price action. The signal for RAVE wasn't just a fleeting blip, it was confirmed by our robust VWAP and EMA alignment gate. In plain language, this means we looked for several critical indicators to line up perfectly, eliminating what we call false breakouts. Show a chart with indicators. Specifically, the stock's price is trading above its volume-weighted moving average, or VWAP. Imagine a VWAP as a smarter average price that gives more weight to periods with high trading volume. If the price is above it, that's a bullish sign. Second, the trend strength measured by the average directional index, or ADX, is above 18. This indicates that a clear trend, whether up or down, is present and gaining strength. And finally, the RSI is comfortably nestled in that healthy momentum zone, between 45 and 68, indicating good buying interest without being extended. When all these conditions align simultaneously, the price above VWAP, ADX showing trend strength, and RSI in the sweet spot, it significantly increases the reliability of the signal and helps us filter out those misleading price spikes. So, what are the actionable levels our scanner identified for RAVE? Our entry signal price came in at $3.2050. Highlight $3.2050. To manage risk effectively, a stop loss level has been set at $3.1890. This means if the trade goes against us and hits this level, we exit to protect capital. Highlight $3.1890. And for taking profits, we have 3 targets. T-Pone at $3.3653, TP2 at $3.5255, and TP3 at $3.6857. Highlight each TP level. Now, let's talk about the incredible risk/reward ratio on this setup. It's 1:10.2. This is exceptionally high and tells us that for every dollar of risk taken on this trade, the potential reward is over $10. A high risk/reward ratio is crucial because it means you don't have to be right every time to be profitable in the long run. Even with a low win rate, just a few successful trades with this kind of ratio can significantly boost your overall portfolio performance. Alright, before we continue, let's quickly reiterate our disclaimer, as it's incredibly important. Important disclaimer: this video is for educational and informational purposes only. Nothing in this video constitutes financial, investment, or trading advice. Always do your own research and consult a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance does not guarantee future results. When considering an entry for RAVE, the most crucial factor to watch is volume. While the VWAP strategy looks for increasing average volume over a period, today's trading volume of just 119 shares is extraordinarily low. This means that if you're looking to enter this trade, you would ideally want to see a significant uptick in volume, ideally closer to or exceeding its 30-day average of 77,087 shares, confirming renewed interest and liquidity around your entry point. Trading a stock with such low volume can lead to wider bid-ask spreads and difficulty in executing orders at your desired price. Also, remember that RAVE is a small-cap stock. These can be more volatile and less liquid than larger-cap companies. The price is currently 12.0% below its 52-week high of $3.07,500, which could serve as a psychological resistance level as it approaches that previous peak. Keep an eye on how the stock reacts if it reaches that level. This setup presents a compelling risk/reward, but always confirm your entry with strong volume and be mindful of the inherent risks of trading small-cap securities. So, there you have it, RAVE Restaurant Group, RAVE, presenting a high-potential setup identified by our VWAP double-bottom strategy, confirmed by our robust VWAP and EMA gate. With an entry signal at $3.2050, a tight stop at $3.1890, and 3 attractive take-profit targets, the risk/reward of 110.2 is certainly eye-catching. However, remember to prioritize volume confirmation and be aware of the liquidity dynamics of a stock like RAVE. Always trade with a plan, manage your risk, and stay disciplined. If you found this breakdown helpful, please smash that like button, subscribe for more in-depth stock analysis, and let us know in the comments what stocks you'd like us to scan next. Happy trading, and we'll see you in the next video.